Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Mookie got all dressed up today to wish everyone a happy Halloween. Today we're going to make the Drunken Diablo Witch's Brew Margarita. It's just a store-bought margarita mix with some dried citrus, and it's in I think it's a goblin's head. So it comes with a strainer, I guess, to get the dried, dehydrated citrus out. And then I'm just going to read the instructions. So again, it's called the Drunken Diablo Witch's Brew Margarita. So it says pour about 750 milliliters of tequila into a cocktail mix. Let mix infuse for 48 hours. Strain the mix into a large pitcher. Stir with crushed ice and top with sparkling water for fizz. So we need 750 milliliters of tequila. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says she drank all the tequila last night. So we're going to change it to a Witch's Brew lime daiquiri. All we need is to substitute some white rum, and that'll be our Drunken Diablo Witch's Brew daiquiri. So okay, so I'm just fumbling around with the lid here. So we're going to put the rum in with the dehydrated citrus and the margarita mix, and that's going to be our Witch's Brew. Now we got to let this sit for 48 hours, Mookie. All right, we'll shake that up a little bit. Okay, Mookie, we'll be getting drunk in 48 hours. All right, so we got our Witch's Brew rum daiquiri. I think it turned out pretty good. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says she wants to wish everyone a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.